Hey everyone, if you're using Anthropic's Claude Code on macOS, either in their desktop app or in any other code editor, you might have run into a brick wall today with this usage limit reached error. Now, I was baffled when I first got this because I hadn't even used Claude Code yet. So, obviously, we need to read into this error a little deeper, and it says usage credits required for 1 million contexts. Turn on usage credits or switch to the standard context. Now, I already have my usage credits on, so it can't be that. So it has to be something to do with the standard context window. Now, when I first downloaded what's called Claude Code on macOS here, it already came with the 1 million context window, and I've been using it for a couple months, and it's been fine. I don't know what suddenly prompted this error, but anyways, to be able to change this back to the 200,000 context window, the regular one, you have to change the environment in your .claude folder that has the settings.json file in it. Now, the issue with that is for macOS, the directories and files that start with .claude, which is where this settings.json lives, it's system hidden files. So unless you know the terminal command shortcuts or you know how to toggle your hidden files, which is a huge pain already to just do, and just a waste of time, I believe. Instead, here I should say, this is what it looks like. Trying to find that file regularly on your file path, you can't. It's just hidden. Anyways, to be able to implement this change, the shortcut I took is I jumped into the Antigravity IDE agent here. So if you don't have Antigravity already, just download that. And then you can select their agent up here, and then I just use Gemini 3.5 Flash, which is pretty quick for what you need it to be. And anyways, I just took this command right here, which I will put in the description, and then I fed it to the agent, and it updated it in 21 seconds for me. And so after I did this, it went back to the regular Claude Code and runs perfectly on the standard context window without throwing the random usage errors that I was getting before. So